In this video, I want to review Sku Grid, which is a popular tool that dropshippers use for their business. So I'm going to talk about pricing, features, reviews, and a bunch of other stuff. I'm also going to compare it to a really popular alternative called AutoDS in a few key areas where I think AutoDS is significantly better than Sku Grid. So that's going to help you decide which platform might be better for you and if Sku Grid is actually the platform that you want to use. So I've included the links to both Sku Grid and AutoDS in the description and pinned comment of this video, so you can check them both out. Now let's take a look at Sku Grid. So as you can see, they have the retail arbitrage options as well as the wholesale dropshipper, and so each one is a little bit different. If we look at wholesale dropshipper, then we can see that their cheapest plan starts at almost $5 a month, and then it goes up to 50, 100, and 500 per month, and each one allows you to monitor a different number of products, so starting from 100 all the way up to 200,000, and so you can see what each plan includes. Now let's talk about the platform integrations. So we can see here that Sku Grid integrates with much of different marketing platforms, including Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Shopify, Wish.com, Facebook, Etsy, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and a few others. But what about automation features? Sku Grid is primarily known for its inventory and price tracking capabilities. It allows users to update pricing strategies based on competitor pricing and stock levels, but it does not cover the full spectrum of dropshipping automation like order processing. Now let's talk about product sourcing and management. Sku Grid, on the other hand, supports a vast number of suppliers, over 800, and they excel in providing detailed control over pricing strategies and inventory management. However, Sku Grid is more focused on tracking and less on product sourcing and listing creation. What about order fulfillment and tracking? Sku Grid focuses on the front end of the supply chain, including tracking inventory and prices, but it doesn't typically manage or automate order fulfillment processes directly. Now, what about customer support and training? Well, AutoDS really shines in customer support with 24/7 live chat, comprehensive tutorials, and really responsive email support. You can actually submit a form here and they'll usually get back to you within 24 hours, and they also have a very active community that can help you out as well. Sku Grid doesn't really offer the same kind of support. Like if I search for Sku Grid support, I couldn't really find anything decent. So if I'm scrolling around on the website, you can see that it's not very clear how you can actually get any help, maybe in extra services, but that's just some random stuff here. So I'm not really sure how to get help with Sku Grid, but if you do know, then let me know in the comments below. Clearly, Sku Grid isn't doing so well in the help and customer service department compared to AutoDS. Now let's talk about analytics and reporting tools. AutoDS offers detailed analytics and custom reporting capabilities that are crucial for tracking business performance and for making informed decisions across multiple platforms. Sku Grid provides powerful tools for tracking changes in pricing and stock levels, but it lacks the broader business analytics that you get with AutoDS, which can be a limitation for users that want more in-depth business insights. But what about user interface and ease of use? AutoDS has a very modern and intuitive interface that is easy to navigate, so that makes it really easy for both beginners as well as experts. AutoDS is a pretty big company. They have a huge team of developers and engineers, so they keep the platform clean and easy to use. Now, Sku Grid is functional, it works, and it can handle some complex settings, but it's not really as easy to follow along or understand. I mean, I couldn't even find where to get customer service, and the website doesn't look very clean, so it definitely doesn't seem to be on the same level as AutoDS. But what about scalability? Because that could be the make or break for your business. So let's start with AutoDS. AutoDS is designed to scale with your business, and it's capable of handling a large volume of products and orders across many different platforms, which makes it really ideal if you're trying to expand your business. So if you want to sell hundreds of thousands or even millions of products a month, AutoDS can definitely scale to help you do that. Now, even though Sku Grid is pretty good at tracking a large number of items across different suppliers and platforms, it might not provide the same level of operational automation that you need for managing a large-scale order processing. Now let's talk about reviews and community feedback. So what do people that used Sku Grid and AutoDS AutoDS have to say about them. So as you can see, I'm on the Trustpilot for AutoDS, and they have over 7,600 reviews with an average of 4.8, and it's a verified company. This is an excellent rating. It's honestly mind-blowing. Almost all of their reviews are 5 stars and very few below that. And even as early as 14 hours ago, they have new reviews coming in. So AutoDS is a very popular tool and customers clearly like it. But let's take a look at Sku Grid. Now Sku Grid is here with an average of 3.5, only 48 reviews, which is average, and they're not a verified company unlike AutoDS. So you can make of that what you will, but it seems like Sku Grid also has a lot of 1-star reviews. So which tool is better for your business? Well, AutoDS is more suitable for dropshippers who need a versatile, all-encompassing tool that supports multiple platforms and offers advanced automation and analytics. I think AutoDS is a clear winner. They have more features, the website's better, they actually have a functional help center that actually can be reached, they have lots of training and onboarding, the website's easy to use and follow along, whereas Sku Grid just looks kind of cheap and it doesn't look like a proper company made this website. They also don't have customer support that I could find. I mean, if you go on support, they just have a bunch of articles. So it's not really clear how you can get help if you have problems with Sku Grid. And also, if you look at reviews, AutoDS is doing way better. I mean, Sku Grid is not even verified. They only have 48 reviews. And even with 48 reviews, they're getting a much lower rating than AutoDS. So I personally think AutoDS is much better, whether you're a new dropshipper or you want to scale your dropshipping business to the next level. For your convenience, I've included the links to both AutoDS and Sku Grid in the description of this video and the pinned comment, so you can check them both out. If you have any questions or comments, then drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.